my dear students, today I would like to discuss a simple shortcut method. This shortcut appears to be illogical, but it is a fact. You have to accept any case, because I am not going to give one example, I am going to give two examples. Let us see here now. So in this case, you can see that force is given as yi plus xj. So how are we going to solve this problem here, my dears? It's very simple. You just do one thing here. You can write here x, you can write y, and you can take limits from 0 to 2 in the case of both x and y, because it is given 0, 0 and 2, 2 here, 2, 2 meters, that's it. So if you can solve this one here, just apply the limits and solve it. You will get an answer. X is considered as 2 minus 0 into again 2 minus 0 is going to give you 4 joules. It's very simple. This is the way you can find out the work done. Is it amazing? Might be appearing to be illogical, but it is amazing shortcuts. I'll give you one more example. Let us see. My dear students, what is the shortcut to solve the next problem which I have told you in the previous video? So now, today we'll solve this problem in fraction of seconds by using a simple shortcut magical formula. So here, if you observe, you can see that what is the data given here in this case? If you observe the equation, the highest powers of x is here. That is going to be x cube. And what is the highest power of y? It is going to be y square. And what is the highest power of z? It is going to be z square. Okay. So therefore, what are you going to do now is, you just write here highest powers of x, which is taken as x cube, highest powers of y, which is taken as y square, and highest powers of z, which is taken as z square. And apply the limits, that is from 0 to 2, because all are given as 0 to 2, 0 to 2, 0 to 2, that's it. So after that, you are going to solve this one and get the answer in fraction of seconds without any formula, any integration, nothing required here, no derivation, no integration, nothing. So it's very simple that here 2 cube minus 0 into 2 square minus 0 into 2 square minus 0 again. So you have applied the limits from 0 to 2, just you can write 2 power 3, which is nothing but 8. This is 4 and this is 4. 12 here, okay. So we're getting 128 joules as your answer. Is a simple shortcut method by solving this. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.